today I'm going to be showing you how to make a table view app with no code whatsoever. So let's go ahead and create a new Xcode project and make it a single view application. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just call it table view. And just add it to your projects. I've already made one, so I'm going to replace it. So now just go straight to the iPhone storyboard and accidentally double click that, so we'll get out of that. And so now you can just close this window because you won't need it, and just click on the first view controller and delete it. And now grab a navigation view controller and drag that across. Now click the middle of the table view, view, and change it from dynamic prototypes to static cells. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll make many sections, but like at the moment we'll just keep it at one, and we'll just have one cell just so we can customize it a bit and then like paste it on a bunch of other cells as well. So what we'll do is we'll just expand this out to be a bit wider and like longer, and then we'll add a UI image view, and we'll make the dimensions 60 by 60. Sounds about right. Or maybe, yeah, 60 by 60. That seems to work. And then grab a label and then drag that across. Actually grab two. And then just line them up so you're happy with it, and make the top label slightly bigger than the bottom label, because that'll be the title of your cell. So we'll just call this one title. This one can be called subtitle. Oops. Oops. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to drag in some images I've prepared earlier. I downloaded them off this really cool website. I'll provide that in the description. So what you're going to do is you're going to reopen this view here, and you're going to grab these images and then just drag and drop them to the bottom of your project. And now I want to ask you, just make sure you copy these to the group destination folder, because if you delete them elsewhere, then it doesn't matter. And then just click finish. So now we're going to go back to this table view, and we'll, just for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll click the middle again, and we'll make three sections. And in the first section, we'll have two tabs, and the second section, we'll have another two, and the third the same. You can customize this to whatever you like, but this is just for the purpose of this tutorial. Now for the first one, we're going to click the image view, and then we're going to go to the image itself, and we're going to use one of the ones that we've just put in. So we'll use just box, so make it look all the same in each column. So then make this different one. Now all these will be in the all these icons from this website I found, they'll all be in the description below, so don't worry about it. So now that you've done that, you can maybe change the title. I'll call it table view, but you can name it whatever you want. Now, just to prove this works for any application, just so you can use it for your app, what we'll do is we'll just add another view controller, and we'll just zoom out so we can see what it looks like. And just for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just make this, we'll just call it view 1. We'll just start with the label, just so you can see that it goes to the next view controller. So just call it view 1, or you can call it whatever you want. You can customize this so it just works with your app. So now click the first cell, and we're going to rename this to view 1. View 1. And then what we'll do is we'll click this, Then we will right click on the highlighted section and then push. Make sure it's push, not module, because module means you have to have another button so you can go back, but push means there'll be a button implemented here for you, so it'll go back to this view. So then, now that we've done that, whoops, we'll make this back to the original size. My bad. Alright, so now that we've done that, we can go build and run. I'll run it on the iPhone 5, which has a 4-inch display. Well, technically it's the iPhone 5S. And as you can see, here's the table view that we have, and there's the different sections, and there's different tabs. Now these ones won't work because we haven't configured them yet, but if you do the same steps that we did for this one, if you click this, it'll go to your view 1, and if you click this, it'll go back, and vice versa. So I hope this helps in any of your projects that you're doing, and please comment or subscribe, and I'll see you next time.